Vicky here with you, and today I want to play with this kit from Newcraftday. I really love their stuff, and I really want to play with this one, and I'm trying to find a way to not have the glare. Some sort of other piece of paper. Here we go. And so I figured I could turn on the camera and I will start doing this, but I will be watching stuff, so it's going to be in fast forward. But I know that you guys like seeing that as well, and so I thought, you know, might as well just turn on the camera and you can see the process. So I will turn this off for now, and then turn it back on as soon as I've gotten started. It's pretty cool because there's only two types, so that should go pretty fast. I'm wondering if I'm not going to use two trays, one for the Y's and one for the O's, just so that I don't have to. I can do both at the same time. And hopefully not make a mess. And I'm not putting my face because obviously I'm doing this fast forward, so it's kind of useless. So we've got the stuff ready, and my little glue thingy. There must be a better word for it, but that's what I'm gonna call it. So I will see you guys in fast forward, and I usually do the fast forward about 5 times, just so you have an idea of the actual time it took me to make it. This one is also double-sided, so that's also something to take into consideration. so I finished my little dragonfly. It's super adorable. Love it so much. And now it's a question of attaching the things together. So this here, this part here, the bell, is supposed to go at the bottom. And they make the rings really easy to open up. So I'm not even using my pliers, but you could. So here we've got the little thing at the bottom, and then you've got the chain for the top. So just do that here and put that through. As I said, you don't even need pliers, you can just use your fingers, and voila, you've got your little ornament. Well, whatever you can call this thing, this little bell. I think it turned out really, really cute. So I'm very pleased with it. And now the question is, where do I put it? So yeah, but it's super, super pretty. And that's it for today, but it was really, really fun to make this, very relaxing. It's a small project, which I totally adore those, because honestly, let's be honest, who has time these days for super humongous projects? I don't, and it gets to be very annoying because then I feel like I'm so behind on so much stuff. And that's what I really love with them, is that now they have all these very simple, easy projects to do, and really, really good products. So go and check them out. And that's it for today. Love you guys. Bye.